Good morning to all. Myself Charanjit Kaur. I am your English teacher. In this session, I will teach you English 2. As you know, our first semester syllabus is over, and now we are going to start our second semester syllabus. Today I am going to start a new chapter of second semester, which is the prodigal son, which is on the page number 34. First of all, I am going to tell about the prodigal word, which is the meaning of prodigal. The prodigal means that a son or a daughter which leave the home or their parents to do things that they not be prove, and after that they feel sorry and came back home. This is the main theme of this story, and the whole story revolve around this theme. And now I'm going to start read this chapter, so keep listening. From the beginning of the story, a rich farmer had two sons who worked with him on his farm. In this story, a farmer and two sons work in the farm, and the younger son one day asked his father for 50% of his share because he wanted to lead a comfortable and luxurious life. First of all, father refused to give him his 50% of share, but after that he agreed to give him the 50% of share. And now, after some time, a few days later, the son packed his belongings and bag of gold. After some time, when he get his 50% of share, he packed his all the belongings and went to the foreign country. There he spent his all the money on his luxurious life, big house, food, music, dance, everything which he want, and lead a comfortable life. But as soon as he spent all his gold, all his money, and he had nothing. He asked his friends for some money for food, but his friends told them, "You are a fool," and they refused to give him any penny of coin. Spending so freely, his gold was soon over. In less than 2 years, he had to go moneylender for more gold. Soon he had to sell off his house to pay his debts. He had no money and now nowhere to live. He asked his friends for help, but they just laughed and called him a fool. After that, he sold his house and lived unhappy and alone life. He had nothing to eat, no money. But there a drought in a country, as it had rained for months. The crops were burned by the sun and the people were starving. So he led a beggar life. He searched everywhere for work. At last he reached a farmer. He asked the farmer for work, for money, and farmer gave him a work like feeding the sheep in his farm, and he gave a wage, just like a word meaning wage. Here wage means a salary, and as a salary he gave a plate of food for every day, but that was not enough for him. One day he feels so much hungry, and he ate the sheep's food, and after that one day he lay on the drought ground and thought about his father, that his father loved him so much and caring so much, and feel very ashamed of his activities. How many of my father's servants have more than they need? He said to himself. While here I am dying of hunger, I will go back to my father and say, "Father, I am no longer worthy to be called your son. Let me come home and be treated as one of your servants." After that, he went out to his father. When father saw his younger son come back to the home, he stood up and hugged him and kissed him tightly, and asked his servants to go for new dresses, for food, a ring or robe, because his lost son was come. He asked his son that you are lost before 2 years and now you come back to the home. We all welcome him. After that, although he was dirty, barefoot and ragged, his father recognized him from a long way off. Overjoyed, the old man ran to meet his son. His father was very happy to meet him. Father cried, "The young man, please forgive me." The son asked his father to please forgive me. The old man threw his arm around his son and kissed him. Then he said to the servant, "Fetch my best robe for him, bring shoes for his feet and ring for his finger." After that, father asked his servant to go and arrange a feast because his lost son come back to the home. He was lost before 2 years and now he come back. He was died before 2 years and now he is alive. Servant went and invited all his friends and neighbors for feast. In the evening, when his elder son come, he heard that his younger son spent all the gold and money for luxurious life. Now he come back and father accepted him. He was very angry. When he angry, he asked his father that, how can you do that to me? You didn't give me any penny of gold, any penny of coin. Then you accept younger brother, even he spent all the money. Father said that, you are a good son and I have no fear to lost you. But your younger brother lost before 2 years, now he come back, so it's our duty to accept him. After that, hearing this wording, the elder brother understood wisdom of his father's word. Both father and son embraced each other and went into the house to rejoice. That is the story and that is the happy ending of the story. Now, this story has a great moral value behind it. And the moral value is, we all have parents and we have to respect our parents' decisions, suggestion because they have a great experience of their life. It's our duty to respect him every situation, every day because they can do anything for us and have knowledge about what is good or what is bad for us. Thank you. Now I'm going to tell you word meaning as I written on the board. First word is prodigal, which is the meaning of wasteful. Second is splendid. Splendid means to excellent. Drought. Drought is a barren land, a long period of dry weather that causes water storage. Waste, as I said, salary. And the last is worthy, that means deserving. Thank you so much.